Welcome to JH. Here is the process for performing a Vodacom SIM swap, whether you use prepaid or a contract. For prepaid users, start by purchasing a new Vodacom SIM card. Ensure it is RICA registered using your identification and proof of address. Next, insert the new SIM into your device and call 136. Navigate the menu to select the SIM swap option, which typically connects you with a Vodacom representative to confirm your identity. Once verified, your existing number will transfer to the new card. While this usually happens quickly, allow up to 24 hours for completion. If you have a Vodacom contract, the procedure is slightly different as you must visit a physical store. Bring your ID, a utility bill for residency proof, and your mobile number. You will need to buy a specific contract SIM, usually costing between 1 and 10 Rand, and the staff will handle the swap for you. Activation typically takes a few hours but can last a full day. To stay secure, dial 135 and request that Vodacom enable SIM swap protection on your account. This ensures you receive an SMS notification to authorize any future swap attempts. If you get a message you didn't request, contact Vodacom immediately. Finally, never disclose your passwords or one-time PINs to anyone, even those claiming to be company employees.